Hey guys, I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to make a transparent background. So the first thing you want to do is go to the paint.net download. I will include this in the description in the video below. You're going to click download and it's going to bring up this free download. This does not cost anything. It will download and it'll be similar to the paint application already in your Windows. So we're going to go to the paint.net app, and you can see it brings up a blank canvas. What we're going to do is down here on the bottom right where you can see it says layers. We're going to add a layer. As you can see, the layer we add, the background, is transparent. So we're going to click on the very first layer and hit delete layer. And as you can see, it gives us the transparent background. So we're going to go to File, Save As, and we're going to call this background. As you can see, it needs to be a PNG file. It cannot be a JPEG or anything else. It needs to be PNG. So we're going to click Save. As you can see, there's a transparent background. And to show you, we'll go to an online photo editing website I use, Be Funky. I'll include that in the description as well. You can go to the background that we made. As you can see, it is transparent. So we can add an image on it if we want, edit as we go, or we could use the original one in the paint to edit our pictures there. So another way I will show you, you can do it if you go to a picture that you already have, right click on it, and we're going to open with paint. You can see my dog Charlie's here. If we go to the eraser, we'll go to the brush width because that's the size, so we're going to clear it off quicker. Go a little bit bigger here. Sorry to do this, Charlie. And then we're just going to erase it. And then we have a transparent background as well. And this will work if you just want to erase certain things and not the whole picture. For instance, if I wanted to just keep his face and I wanted to erase everything around it, you have that option as well. So hopefully that helped. It's a quick, easy little way that I found out. So like always, hit that like button at the bottom. Hopefully this video helped you, and smack that subscribe button as well.